Bonjour! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make raspberry croissant out of a plain croissant. Welcome to our channel.
Paradise on my plate.
First, I have taken a small saucepan on a medium flame and added a handful of fresh raspberries. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of sugar and half a cup of water. Let's boil these raspberries for like 5 to 10 minutes until you get a good thick texture of raspberry compote. Raspberry compote is almost ready now. Let it cool down for some time. In the meantime, we'll get the croissants ready. Many people think croissant is from France, but the actual origin of the croissant is Austria. And it is a funny word to pronounce as well. Americans call it croissants, Britishers call it croissants, Indians call it croissants. However you call it, it will just melt in your mouth. Here I am stuffing raspberry compote into croissants, and then I'm gonna sprinkle some icing sugar on the top. Keep it in mind that it takes 1 kg of butter to make 12 good sized croissants. So eat well and stay healthy.